An engine is the heart of a car, transforming fuel into motion. It all starts with the four-stroke cycle: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. First, air and fuel mix in the cylinder. Then the piston compresses this mixture. A spark ignites it, creating an explosion that pushes the piston down, generating power. The exhaust valve opens, releasing gases, and the cycle repeats. Cooling systems prevent overheating, while lubrication keeps moving parts smooth. Together, these components work in harmony, turning fuel into the energy that propels your vehicle down the road. Understanding this process reveals the magic behind every drive.